Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today I'm taking you guys back to Ikea, and there is a reason I came in here today because I remember on my previous Ikea visit I was telling you guys that I wanted to buy a new office desk or office table, and I was waiting for Boxing Day or Black Friday. No, it was Boxing Day, I believe. I was waiting for Boxing Day to see if they will go on sale on Ikea, and nope, they didn't go on sale. So I end up coming here today just to pick one up and also pick up a few other things like I wanted a new pillow cover case for Valentine's, and also some like a bed tray for my bedroom. So guys, this video is just a Ikea walkthrough video. If you are new here today and you have not seen any of my video before, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So over here we upload videos on shopping, like tours, store walkthrough. We do home cooking, home decoration, and things like that. So if you're interested in things like that, please kindly push the subscribe button, push the notification bell so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. So I'm based here in Toronto, Canada. So most of the stores that you're going to be seeing, or all the stores that you're going to be seeing, are going to be here in Toronto. Maybe in nearest future, if God willing, I will be traveling to show you guys around the world the different stores that are what they offer. So but for now we are based here in Toronto, Canada, and I'm showing you guys some of the things that are available in the stores. And if you are returning, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. It means a lot to me. So as you can see already, Ikea is a very huge store. It's like a 3-level or 2-level store. So I think the first floor, or they have all their furnitures in there, like home furniture, couch, beds, and things like that. And as you can see, they have a whole lot of nice looking couch and nice looking beds and things that you can just buy from here that are very, very affordable compared to other stores. So I came in here and I was just admiring some of the stuff that they have available. Whenever I come here to Ikea, I always admire their showrooms. They do a really good job setting it up. It really looks nice. They also had these super gorgeous accent chairs that I saw at Ikea. They were really beautiful. Some were really like calling my name, like, Ivy, please buy me, take me home. We need to be friends, we need to be besties. So some of these accent chairs were really super beautiful, super gorgeous. And as you can see, this specific green velvet chair was the one begging me to take him or her home, and I was like, I can't, I'm so sorry, you're not in my budget right now. Maybe in the nearest future we might visit it, we might, you never know. So yeah, they do have a lot of nice looking accent chairs that you can use to decorate your home, and I think the prices are pretty decent. It's not that bad. And so as you can see, they have a lot of stuff at Ikea. If you just moved here to Canada and you're looking for affordable place to buy your furnitures and things like that, check Ikea out. They have really affordable beds and couches at Ikea. Check them out and you might find something that you're looking for. You never know. So as you can see, the whole store was almost empty. It was me and some few other people that were really far off. As you can see, they have nice kitchen at Ikea. Look at this gorgeous island, like kitchen island at Ikea. Look at how beautiful the setup and everything. The cooking stuff was really pretty. I think Ikea has really nice looking appliances here at Ikea. If you are planning to upgrade your kitchen this year and you don't want to break the bank, I think check Ikea out. Me, I'm planning, if God willing, I want to change something from my kitchen. They have this beautiful, you guys are going to see what I'm talking about right now. They have this beautiful what is it called, baking set. Is it called baking set, where it comes with the oven and the top oven and those two things that usually goes together? You guys are going to see it soon, and I really want that in my kitchen. Maybe that will encourage me and motivate me to learn how to finally bake simple cakes and things like that. So they also have really nice setup for their kitchen. Like, you get some really good I get inspired whenever I come to IKEA when it comes to home decor. I really love their showrooms. They're really cute. I get inspired a lot when I come here to shop at IKEA. So guys, look at this super gorgeous table setup that maybe if you're planning this Valentine to dine in with your loved ones, you can set up your dining table like this. Look at how gorgeous, like a flush of pink, a light pink setup for your Valentine's Day dinner or Valentine's Day lunch for your loved ones. I really love this one. It looks super simple, super easy. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. This I think it's called oven set. These two things that goes, like, it looks so nice in the kitchen. Whenever I walk into a kitchen that looks like this, I'm just like, I'd really want this thing in my kitchen. Maybe that will motivate me to bake more and cook more and do things like this. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. As you can see, IKEA has a whole lot of new stuff that they added to their furnitures. You can just go by and check them out. Be careful, make sure you're wearing your gloves. You have a tiny hand sanitizer with you, so that, you know what, when you're walking through, and you can just, sanitize your hand as you go. For me, I always come prepared. I have a small hand sanitizer in my bag, so before I enter, I sanitize my hand and everything, and after I finish, I just sanitize my hands as well. So guys, I hope you guys love this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched this far, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel. Please share this channel with your friends and family, somebody who loves to shop, or just somebody who is interested into cooking and things like that. So I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Hope you enjoy it and you got some ideas and things out of this video. So see you guys at the end of this video. Enjoy. Bye.
You are the reason why I make it through. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Hey, you are the only one, yeah, that is true. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Oh, I believe in you and me together, you and me always forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give you everything, whatever. Turn my back on you, no, never. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. 'Cause you're my